everybody, and welcome to another episode of Shits and Giggles. My name is Kai.
And I'm Robin.
Robin, we've got some ingredients here. What do you think we're doing?
Enchiladas!
Is that what you're guessing? Well, we got chicken, we've got cream cheese, we've got old cheddar, we've got scallions, we've got crumbled blue cheese. I love blue cheese.
And we
A
got
little bit of hot sauce.
more cheddar.
Yeah, so we're doing a buffalo chicken enchilada. And the birds seem to be liking this a lot too because they're just chirping away, but they're not getting any. So what about, let's just get started. How's that?
They're vegetarian.
Yeah, they are. Let's get started.
Okay, folks, here we go. It's one rotisserie chicken all shredded up and in the bowl. There we go. Add 1 8-ounce pack of cream cheese. 1/3 cup of shredded cheddar. 1/3 cup hot sauce. Add to that a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin and mix it all together. And that's what you get, folks. Now he's gonna struggle with this a bit, but he'll get her done. Roll it all up in a tortilla. And once you get that done, put it in the pan, times 16, folks. Next, we melt our butter. We add some more hot sauce. Not quite all of it, folks. Not yet, anyway. We add a little bit of water. More hot sauce. And we drizzle. We drizzle all over, folks. Don't miss none. Yeah. Gotta be spicy, otherwise it's not enchiladas. It's just cheese rolls. And chicken. Spicy. Then we put the rest of the cheddar over the top. And this is what makes it Who's Your Daddy, folks. Here come the blue cheese. Gives it a nice, wonderfully strong flavor. Add the scallions. Yeah. That's quite the presentation. And in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, folks. There we go. Who's your daddy?
Okay, so Robin, we're done. This took 15 minutes in the oven at 400.
Smells good.
It smells great. It looks, wow, it looks really, really
Smells
good. I just
great.
can't wait to get into this. So I got a plate.
Go nuts.
All right, let me see what I can do with this.
Love it. Stand back, folks.
Oh,
Stand back.
try to get this in here.
Should use a big one.
Look at that. The heat. Wow. Robin, look at that.
Thank you.
Wait a no. Okay, we're gonna get into this. We're gonna try this. Guess we're not gonna try it. Anyway, folks, make sure that you follow us on YouTube. Robin will be back with that because he knows.
Clapper.
Subscribe and like.
And don't forget,
TikTok. Can you grab me a fork, please, and bring that back? How about a fork? Look at that, he's going to get me a fork. All right, here we go. I can't wait. You only brought one fork. I guess you're not having any, but all right, let's try this. So here we go. There it is. Here I go. It's hot.
you tell me.
Wow. It's got the right heat to it. It's not overly spicy. The flavors of the blue cheese are just making my mouth really, really happy. Robin, what do you think?
We're done. We gotta go, folks. See you.